In today's free tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can become a Capcut affiliate member in their referral program completely for free so you can make some extra money or dough. Step number one is to open up in a new tab on your search browser or engine and type in Capcut PC affiliate program, or type in this and click enter. The next step is to click the first option right here, or the second, or even the third. I mean, we have the first and the third are both the same. Capcut affiliate marketing program. And then on their website right here, you can see that you can become a Capcut affiliate and grow your brand and earn up to $15K or $15,000 in commissions. And you can click apply now, or you can click read more on their website. In this case, we're going to click apply now. Now on this page, you can make more money from their traffic and audience. And basically says there's 5 minutes to complete this. So we're going to click sign up. And then once this has loaded, this is Capcut's affiliate program contract. So as you can see here, in online sale, you'll get up to 20 to 35% USD if you live in the United States or USA. And here are the payout details right here. Number one, if the customer is new, 35% of the sale. And number two, the customer is existing, you get 20% of the sale. And then there's all the other, you get 0%. What a shame. And then under the payout, basically if you live in the US, UK, France, or I think that's what FR stands for, and DEE, I don't even know what that is too. So it is, well, you get nothing. The schedule, you can read the referrals, and this is probably good. And you can read, well, is here, B is a grade scale, and A is a grade scale. And yeah, it says like how much you could or could not get paid based off different scenarios that they have. Right, so for an example, your rewards is if B pays for a month and gets $10 times 35%, you're only getting $3.50. And then the B grade scale, you're getting $2. But however, if someone pays for $90 for a yearly subscription, you'll get $31, or you'll get $18. It's your choice, you choose. Well, this is how you can become a Capcut affiliate member for free in 2024. Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.